If you've been hurt at work, you may wonder whether you even need a lawyer, and if you do, how much is it going to cost you? In my opinion, you definitely need a lawyer if you've been hurt at work. Without a lawyer, you're going to be dealing with the insurance company all by yourself. You're not going to know whether things they ask you to sign are things you have to sign, whether statements that they make to you or notices they give you are the final notice, whether you have any options, if you disagree with decisions they make in your case. You're going to be left to yourself. Finally, if the insurance company stops your workers' comp benefits, it's a very complicated system to try and get the benefits started again. And you're better off having a lawyer that's experienced, that knows the judges, that knows the process, that can make sure that you have everything in order to increase your chances of getting back on workers' comp. As far as the cost goes, the cost of hiring a lawyer in Massachusetts is governed by the workers' comp law. There's two ways, and two ways only, that a workers' comp lawyer in Massachusetts can be paid a fee. First of all, if the lawyer has to go to court for you, or the DIA. Oftentimes we refer to the DIA as court and workers' comp. And the insurance company agrees to do something that before they were refusing to do or denying, or the court orders them to do something, then the insurance company would have to pay your lawyer a fee. The amount of the fee depends on what level the case is at. Plus, they'd have to reimburse your lawyer for all of his or her out-of-pocket expenses up to that point in the case. Every time your lawyer has to go to the DIA on your behalf and obtains an agreement or order from the court, your lawyer would be paid in the same way. Finally, if your lawyer is able to negotiate a settlement of your workers' comp claim, then the lawyer will be paid a percentage of the settlement amount, either 20% if the case settles with liability, which simply means that the insurance company will continue to be responsible for paying for related medical treatment, or 15% if the case settles without liability. So in the end, you as an injured worker are not responsible for paying directly your attorney's fee or costs.